Welcome to the world of optical networks. This presentation will cover the essentials of fiber optic technology and dense wavelength division multiplexing, or DWDM systems. Let's dive in to see how light enables us to transmit data at incredible speeds and over great distances. Let's explore the fundamentals of fiber optics. First, fiber optics use light to transmit data. Second, they offer significantly higher bandwidth compared to traditional copper cables. Third, optical fibers are immune to electromagnetic interference, ensuring a clearer signal. Fourth, they experience lower signal loss, also known as attenuation over long distances. Finally, fiber optics operate on the principle of total internal reflection, which keeps the light signal contained within the fiber. Let's understand dense wavelength division multiplexing. DWDM is a technology that combines multiple optical signals onto a single fiber by using different wavelengths, or colors, of laser light. This dramatically increases bandwidth capacity. It supports 40, 80, or even more than 160 channels per fiber. Channel spacing is typically 0.8 nanometers or 0.4 nanometers. DWDM enables long-haul transmission without needing signal regeneration over long distances. Here are the key components of DWDM systems. First, optical multiplexers and demultiplexers are the devices that combine multiple wavelengths onto a single fiber, a process known as multiplexing or separate them, which is demultiplexing. They are based on prisms, diffraction gratings, or filters. They feature low insertion loss and minimal crosstalk. Second, optical transmitters convert electrical signals to optical signals at specific wavelengths using lasers. Distributed feedback lasers are commonly used. Tunable lasers allow for flexible wavelength assignment. Third, optical receivers convert optical signals back to electrical signals using photodetectors. PIN photodiodes are used for short-range applications, while avalanche photodiodes are used for long-range applications. Fourth, optical amplifiers boost optical signals without converting them back to electrical signals, enabling long-distance transmission. Erbium-doped fiber amplifiers and Raman amplifiers are common types. Let's discuss the applications of DWDM technology. DWDM is essential for long-haul networks, which are the backbone infrastructure connecting cities, countries, and continents. They provide terabit capacity over a single fiber and reduce the need for signal regeneration sites. DWDM is also important for metro networks, which are high-capacity networks within metropolitan areas. They offer scalable capacity for growing urban demands and flexible traffic management. DWDM is used for data center interconnects, which are high-bandwidth connections between data centers, enabling ultra-high capacity for massive data transfer and low latency for real-time applications. Finally, DWDM is critical for submarine cable systems, which are undersea optical fiber networks connecting continents across oceans, enabling multiple terabits per fiber pair and ensuring reliability in harsh underwater environments. Let's examine the challenges and solutions in DWDM networks. One major challenge is signal attenuation, where light signals weaken over distance. Solutions include using optical amplifiers, employing low-loss fiber designs, and optimizing transmitter power levels. Another challenge is chromatic dispersion, where different wavelengths travel at different speeds. Solutions include using dispersion compensating fibers, fiber Bragg gratings, and digital signal processing. Nonlinear effects caused by high power densities are another challenge. Solutions include optimized channel spacing, power management strategies, and advanced modulation formats. Polarization mode dispersion, where different polarization components travel at different speeds, also poses a challenge. Solutions include polarization mode dispersion compensators, low PMD fiber designs, and forward error correction. Let's explore the future trends in optical networking. Space division multiplexing involves using multi-core or multi-mode fibers to transmit multiple spatial channels simultaneously dramatically increasing capacity. Artificial intelligence-driven network management uses machine learning algorithms for predictive maintenance, automated optimization, and real-time traffic management. Quantum key distribution leverages quantum properties of light for ultra-secure communications, enabling encryption keys that are theoretically impossible to intercept without detection. Elastic optical networks enable flexible grid technology, allowing dynamic allocation of spectrum based on traffic demands, improving efficiency. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.